Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good morning. We meet again for our English lesson with me, Miss Adiba. So, our topic for today is days, and we are going to do some review on the topic that we have learned. Okay, review ni macam ulang kaji lah. Kita nak recall balik, kita nak revisit our topic. We have two objectives for today. The first one is write at least 5 sentences using negative form of the present simple and 5 affirmative sentences correctly. Okay. Sentences using negative form and affirmative sentences ni kita dah belajar dah. And then complete at least 4 questions using verbs correctly. Same goes with objective number 2. Okay, kita dah belajar dah how to write 4 questions using verbs. But today we're going to do review and we're going to do this again. Okay, now let's start and let us look at affirmative and negative sentences. Okay, affirmative and negative sentences. Kalau ingat balik, affirmative and negative sentences in present simple that we have learned, it's about how to change positive sentences to negative sentences or negative sentences to positive sentences. Okay. Now, let's look at this. Affirmative ataupun ayat yang positif. Using I'm, your, his, she's, it's, we're, your, their. Okay, how about negative? Negative is we are adding the not. Perkataan not, tak, to these words. Like, I'm not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. Alright. So, affirmative is positive. Negative is something that we add not to make it look negative. Do you remember now? Good. Now, let's look at these sentences, okay? We use the present simple when we talk about facts and routines. The he, she, and it forms end with S. Okay, the example, we have breakfast at 7:30 am. We tu plural. So, we use have. Tapi bila dia tukar ayat tu kepada singular form, he, she and it forms, have tu kita jadikan dia has. He has breakfast. Okay? Ataupun we use base form. I get up at 7 a.m. Noel is in he, she, it form, singular form. So, Noel perkataan verb dia kita tambah S. Noel gets up at 4:45 a.m. Another one is, my brother and I go to school. My brother and I, 2 people. Kan? 2 orang. Okay, so verb dia dalam base form. Tak ada S. Okay, go. My brother and I go to school. Tapi he goes to work. He tu seorang. He, she, it. Seorang kan. So goes tu kita tambah S. Ataupun kalau belakang dia tu huruf O, kita tambah ES. He goes to work. This is something that we have learned. We're only going to revisit. Okay, now, how about writing the negative form? Macam mana kita nak tulis ayat yang positif kepada negatif? Kita nak tukar. Alright, so here we have 6 sentences. Let's try to recall. Okay, number 1. My dad to work by car, not go. My dad not go. Kita tak boleh terus tulis my dad not go to work by car. It's grammatically incorrect, kan? So, my dad, kita tengok dulu. Nak letak does ke do? My dad seorang. Does lah kan? So, my dad doesn't. Kalau tak kan, tak boleh letak my dad does go to work by car sebab kita nak writing the negative form. Kita nak jadikan ayat ni negative. So, my dad doesn't go to work by car. My parents don't work on Saturdays. Okay, I not like cooking. I do not like cooking ke? I does not like cooking. I do not ataupun I don't like cooking. Do not tu kita pendekkan jadi don't. Kalau doesn't tu does not. Kan? Okay, now number 4, we. We ni plural form. Not get up early on Saturdays. We don't get up early on Saturdays. Okay, number 5. My sister. Ni sister. Seorang je sister dia. My sister doesn't play video games. Okay, you kena guna base words kan? So, you don't watch TV a lot. Okay? So, this is how you change positive. This is how you write the negative form of sentences. You add in doesn't or don't kat depan. So, ayat tu akan jadi bentuk negatif. Kalau positif dia contoh yang nombor 1. Kalau affirmative kan, ayat positif, affirmative. My dad go to work by car. Tapi kalau kita tukar dia jadi negatif, my dad doesn't go to work by car. Okay? Keyword dia kat sini, bila kita tukar untuk ayat tu jadi negative form, macam kita belajar, kita tambah doesn't dengan don't dekat depan verb kata kerja tu untuk jadikan dia negative form. Ni. We use doesn't after he, she and it to make negative sentences. Kita guna doesn't kalau dia singular. We use don't after I, you, we and they to make negative sentences. Perkataan don't kita guna kalau kita guna perkataan don't selepas plural form lah ataupun special case untuk I dengan you. Kan? Untuk jadikan ayat tu negatif. And in negative sentences, the main verb never ends with an S. Okay, dalam ayat negatif, verb utama tu tak akan berakhir dengan S. Sama macam kita belajar 2-3 minggu lepas lah. Sebab apa? Sebab kita ada model verb kat depan tu. Doesn't dengan don't. Does dengan do. Does dengan do tu dia automatic akan neutralkan balik kita punya verb. Verb tadi tu tak ada S. Okay? Now, do you remember this? Do, does, subject, verb, complement. Bentuk soalan yang menggunakan kataan do dengan does. Kan? Ni kalau kita nak tanya soalan. Do you cook every morning? Do they study every morning? Do I walk every morning? Do we exercise every morning? Bila I, you, they, we, kita guna do. Tapi kalau he, she, it, kita guna does. Kita guna does. Does he cooks? Tak ada S lah kan? Does he cook every morning? Does she study every morning? Does it walk every morning? He, she, it, dia guna does. Ingat kot. Okay. Now, macam mana nak jawab? Okay, kalau soalan tu guna do, soalan yang depan dia do atau does. Okay, kalau yes, yes I do, yes you do, yes they do, yes we do. Kalau does, yes he does, yes she does, yes it does. Kita ambil balik perkataan do atau does kat depan soalan tu, letak kat belakang. Kalau dia buatlah yes, kalau untuk yes. Do you cook every morning? Yes, I do. Contoh. Okay. How about no? Kalau jawapan dia no. No, I don't. No, you don't. No, they don't. No, we don't. Do tu jadi don't. Kalau does, dia jadi doesn't. No, he doesn't. No, she doesn't. No, it doesn't. Contoh. Do you go to bed early on Saturdays? No, we don't. Tak, kami tak tidur awal lah. Untuk jawapan tidak. Okay. Now, how about this one? Question using WH words. Who, what, when, why, where, what time, how. Okay. Yang WH kat depan ni, dan kita letak do di tengah ataupun does. Bergantung kepada subjek dia. Kalau subjek dia I, you, they, we, kita letak do lah. Kalau subjek dia he, she, it, kita letak does. And then the verb must be in base form. Sebab kita ada do dengan does dekat depan. And then followed by question mark. When do they study? Bilakah mereka belajar? Nak jawab dia, ambil balik kat subjek kan. They study, masa kan. At what time? Where do you exercise? Di manakah awak bersenam? You, bila nak jawab jadi I lah. I exercise at the park. What time does he wake up? Okay, walaupun dia he, dia seorang. Dekat wake up ni kita pakai base form. Kita tak letak S. Sebab ada does dekat depan kan. When does he wake up? Pukul berapa dia bangun? He wakes. Bila nak jawab, tak ada does kat depan. So, kita letak S lah. He wakes up at 7 a.m. Contoh. How does it walk? Macam mana cara dia jalan? It walks. Nak jawab, tambah S. Sebab bila awak jawab, tak ada does atau do dekat ayat tu. Okay. It walks using its 4 legs. Contoh. Okay. Now, always remember the rules. We use do and does when we make present simple questions with regular verb. Bila kita buat soalan, kita guna do, does dengan regular verb. Maksudnya base form verb. We don't add S to the he, she and its forms in the questions. Walaupun dia tu dalam bentuk singular, kita tak tambah S. And we put questions at the beginning of the, we put question words macam what, where, who, how at the beginning of the questions. Okay, kita letak kata soal tu di hadapan soalan kita. And we use forms of do in short answers. Bila kita nak bagi jawapan yang pendek, kita guna form of do. Macam yes I do, no I don't. Itu forms of do. Alright, these are examples of questions that we can write. Contoh soalan kita buat. What presents do you prefer? Where do you eat? Who does she invite? Who does she invite? Does the lion stop at all the restaurants? Do you like fireworks? Okay. Ni yang 1, 2, 3 ni soalan yang kita guna WH questions. Soalan 4, nombor 4 dan 5 ni do form. Does dengan do. Alright, that's all. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can contact me personally. That's all. Bye.